It's Blake Feldman, Senior Policy Counsel at the Southern Center for Human Rights, with a quick legislative update. Last Thursday, March 6th, was crossover day, and the 2025 session ends in less than 4 weeks on April 4th. Between now and then, a top priority for us will be getting HB 123 passed by the Senate and signed into law. HB 123 makes two important changes to Georgia law regarding the determination of intellectual disability in capital cases. Georgia is the only state in the country that forces people to prove intellectual disability beyond a reasonable doubt to avoid execution. HB 123 would change the standard to preponderance of the evidence. Georgia is also the only state that asks the jury to decide guilt and intellectual disability at the same time. So the second and just as important thing that HB 123 does is it separates the determination of intellectual disability from the determination of guilt. HB 123 passed the House last week and has been referred to Senate Judiciary, where it could be taken up for a committee hearing any day now. We're also advocating against a lot of carceral legislation targeting kids. For example, SB 61, branded as a school safety bill, would drastically increase the number of offenses for which kids are charged and tried as adults. There are also a lot of bills in play that threaten First Amendment rights, like SB 27, an anti-doxing bill. Sometimes, even though a bill didn't survive crossover day, legislators will sneak the content of that bill into another bill that did crossover. So we're also keeping an eye out for any attempts to revive bad bills, like SB 7, which would allow the Fulton County Sheriff to seize space at the Atlanta City Detention Center at will, even as he is unable to staff current facilities. These are just a few of the bills that we're tracking and working on. Check out and subscribe to our bill tracker at schr.org to stay informed and updated.